Okay guys, in this video I'm going to break down the Tradenet, ETF and sector section and give you an overall review of this section in the course, so stay tuned. Tradenet do cover some ETF sections and other sectors that we're going to talk about. So they cover very basic information on an ETF, which is good. It's important you understand what an ETF is if you're looking to trade. An ETF is an exchange traded fund, usually represents the movement of an overall company or commodity. For example, if you're to buy a share in every company that trades on the New York Stock Exchange or the NASDAQ, it would be way too expensive. It's not realistic. But so what you can do to trade is you can buy a share of an ETF, which is more of a reasonable price, and that tracks either just the market itself or commodity behind it. Now bear in mind, when trading ETFs, they don't move quite as well like stocks. They are super liquid, so they're very easy to get in and get out. As I said, they don't trade quite like a stock. There is a commodity behind it pushing it. Sometimes they can follow obviously patterns and things like that as well. It's not more of a common trend as it is with stocks, but if you were seeing a pattern in, for example, gold or oil, you would then follow a trade in ETFs and kind of stick to the commodity driving the ETF and make your plan from there. As I said, they do cover a lot of sectors in Tradenet, which is great. They kind of break into sectors in terms of oil, bio, banks, energy, all this, and they also give you tickers that follow that to keep an eye out on certain stock movements, and if the market is going one way, they'll tell you to trade either oil or energy, for example, things like this, which is super important. And I really like the overview. They kind of educate you in that sector. And this was also one of my favorite sections in it. Surprisingly, I didn't think I would be a huge fan of the sectors and ETF section. I already know quite a lot about ETFs, and the sectors was new to me, so that's probably one of my reasons. It was, again, one of my favorite sections. If you did find the video helpful, hit that like button. If you do have any questions about the Tradenet before you do purchase it, let me know. I'm happy to help. My email is down below. So guys, if you are thinking of the Tradenet course, there is a link in the description below, so help me help you. Also, I'm proud to say I'm the only one that can offer a lifetime discount of $50 for the Tradenet course. It is in the link in the description below, so be sure to check it out. Thank you.